Hi guys, I'm Rahul Akerkar, chef and founder of Qualia restaurant in Mumbai. I'm really thrilled to be Scroll Foods' first chef of the month. Today I'm going to share with you a little insight on the heart and soul of Qualia, which is all about pickling and fermenting. While I'm talking to you, I've got 2 jars here that are being sterilized. You just need to keep them in boiling water, submerged in boiling water for a minimum of 20 minutes. We're going to use a large jar like this, which is I think, 3 kilos? It's a 3 kilo jar. So in that, I've got 2 liters of plain water. To that, I have 60 grams of salt. Okay. I've got 10 grams of black pepper. I've got a couple of bay leaves, 2-3 bay leaves, 4 bay leaves, doesn't matter. And about, let's say about 10 grams of garlic, whole garlic. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set this to boil. And while it's boiling, I'm going to take a toothpick and just lightly prick the outside of the tomatoes, which will allow the brine to penetrate later on. So let's just get this done. And then all we're going to do is pop this into the sterilized glass jar and pour the boiling water over it. Boiling pickle. I'm just going to keep the tongs also in boiling water for a little bit to kill any bacteria that might be on there. Just give this a little stir. This is coming to a boil pretty soon. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the jar out of the water. It's been boiling for well over half an hour now. You want to make sure you don't burn yourself naturally. And you don't want to touch the inside, you don't want to touch the lid right now. We'll just set this down here. That's sterile now. And I'm going to add to it the tomatoes, which I have already pricked. As I showed you earlier, you just take a toothpick and just roughly prick the outsides. So we're just going to drop these in. This is all boiling now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out one of these guys so I can put all of the solids from here, like the bay leaves and all, into this jar. And now I'm just going to pour all the liquid over the tomatoes. And you want to leave a couple of fingers gap on the top. There's still a few black peppercorns and garlic here. I'm just going to get those and add them in, and we're done. So I've got a couple of fingers gap on top, and we're just going to let this sit. And the reason you do that is because there's going to be a little gas build up in there, and so you want to, every few days, you want to just, at the end of every day or every couple of days, you just want to quickly open it for a second and shut it as you burp the ferment, because it's going to produce gas in there, and if you don't, the thing will explode. So we keep it sealed, and then every day you just do a quick open, let the gas out, and shut it.